Guys, welcome back. Today we'll see how to use star ngIf structural directive with HTML element like div. So we'll straight away go to the example. So currently I have a Hello World app running on my localhost 4200. So I have a title and in the HTML I'm just printing it. So that's why you see Hello World app on the screen. So similarly, I want to have a text on the screen, but I need to show it based on a condition. So I need to display it based on a condition. So how would I do that? Let me show you that. So in the TS file, just like the title Hello World app, I'll take a variable called my text of string type, and I say it's very sunny today. Some text you can give. I want to display this text in my HTML page. Let me display it, say h1. Okay, so yeah, it's displayed on the screen. You see, it's very sunny today. Now let me, in order to display this text based on a condition, I need to have a boolean value, right? So I say, I give a name like is visible, which is of boolean type, and initially I say it is false. So I will pass this to star ngIf structural directive. So what I'm saying is, based on the value of is visible, show this div, show this content on my screen. So currently the value is false, so it is not showing that piece of value on the screen. So let me make it true and save it. Now you can see it's very sunny today on the screen because the value of is visible is true, and in the HTML, if true is passed to star ngIf, this particular div will be added to the HTML DOM, and I will show you that. So you know that going back to structural director, if there is a change in structural director are used to change the structure of a DOM by adding or removing elements. So using star ngIf, we are adding or removing, right, this part, div, this div to the HTML DOM. If I say true, it's being displayed, so this div is added to the HTML DOM. If I say the value of is visible as false, you can see the content is not displayed on the screen, and um, even the div is not added to the HTML DOM, right? So what does it say is there a change in DOM? Yes, when it is true, when the star ngIf is true, the div has been added to the HTML DOM. So there is a change of structure. And if it is false, yes, we are removing the div from the HTML DOM. So this is how star ngIf works. I hope you have understood. Thank you.